Hi friends, welcome to a new week. I hope it's been going okay working on your research journal. You were supposed to turn in your research journal last Friday, so make sure that you've turned that in. You should have 5 to 7 articles that support both sides of your persuasive topic. So you'll be on one side for your speech and you'll be on the other side for your paper. So just make sure you have enough research to support both sides. For Monday, I want you to make sure, again, I put this on last week's agenda, but I really want everyone to make sure they look at the example persuasive paper. This paper will show you exactly what the format should look like for your paper. You should get ideas about the length, except that this one's a little bit longer than yours will probably be because they have 3 body paragraphs and 3 main points. You only have to have 2 in yours, so you'll notice that this one's kind of long, but your intro paragraph should still be about a page in length. Each body paragraph should be also about a page in length. And then also notice that their works cited is at the bottom and it's properly MLA formatted. There's a video in there too, so you can hear me talking a little bit about the outline of the paper. So use this to your advantage, please. And then I want you to start filling out this paper outline. There's a video in there also explaining the outline, but this will basically show you this is exactly what you need in your paper and where you need it. So use this outline to help you. Eventually, you'll be able to take what you filled out in this outline and put it into another document where your actual paper will be. So this outline will be really helpful for you. Follow the directions carefully. Carefully make sure you're putting in good research that really supports your main thesis topic. This whole week, you're going to be working on this outline. I want you to turn in what you have done of this outline by Friday. So however much you get done of the outline, submit it by Friday. It's due on Friday. The only other thing that I want you to do during the week is to make sure that you look at this Citing Templates document. There's a very specific way that you have to cite your sources or cite your databases in your paper. So I want you to get used to using those. I give you some templates here so that you know exactly what information you need to put in. So like when you're writing your paper, the way that you cite where you got your research from, where you got your databases, what articles you're using, is by following these very specific templates. There are very specific things, I keep saying that word, there are very specific things that you have to have when you're citing sources in a paper. So this will help you make sure that you're not plagiarizing, that you're citing your sources properly. It's kind of confusing at first, but once you get started with it, it'll be fine. It's not so bad. So if you need any help with anything, please let me know. Again, the main thing is that you should have turned in your research journal last week. You're going to use that research journal to start writing your paper outline. Again, look at this example paper for some extra help on what your paper should look like. And then make sure you look at this citing templates so that you know how to cite your sources in your paper. I know that this is kind of a lot. It's a really big project, and I apologize that we're not in class face-to-face where I can help you a whole lot better. I wish that was the case because it would be a lot easier for both of us, I think. So anyway, I miss you. I hope you have a really great week. Remember, next week there's only 3 days of school because we have Christmas break coming up soon. So keep working hard. Don't put this off. You got this. Let me know what you need. I am here for you. Thanks for watching and have a great week.